Yes, actually, this was a long pending procedure of cervical arthritis, and I think the procedure would be conducted on the 22nd. Uh, his personal physician for long, Dr. Ramakant Panda, the renowned surgeon, would be in charge of the procedure. He has sought the blessings of the people of the state and Mahaprabhu Jagannath to come back to serve them as quickly as possible. In fact, he's such a popular leader that I have received numerous telephone calls from across the country, cutting across party lines, expressing concern over the procedure after they saw his spit. All of them have wished him well. And as you know, he lives in the hearts of the people of Orissa. So we all pray to Mahaprabhu Jagannath that let him recover very quickly and give leadership to the state to take it forward from the complete dismal state that currently it is in. The people of the state are looking up to his leadership now, and he has always said that the most important thing in his life is to serve the people of the state, people of Odisha. And that's why he is more eager, when we were discussing yesterday, he was more eager to return back to, lead the state, give directions to serve the people, how the party could actually go and, solve their problems than his own personal discomfort.
In the absence of him, the PSC will take all the.
Yes, it has also been made clear by him that the Political Affairs Committee will look after the day-to-day operations during his absence, and our party's senior Vice President, Sri Devi Prasad Misra, would be in charge of coordinating the works of the wings that have been formed so far.